Hello everyone, welcome to No Code School. Today we are going to see how to manage social media contents across various platforms for different clients using Airtable. Airtable has their default templates to do this. Let's now go to airtable.com. Click on the template section. Under the content production category, go to social media calendar. Now click on use template. Let me add this to my first workspace by selecting Add Base. For those who wonder what a base is, a detailed video has been uploaded in our channel. Do check it out. This link is given in the iCard. This is the default social media calendar that is available in Airtable. This template has three different sections named Social Media Calendar, Manage Content Across Channels, and then Take Requests from Partners. This calendar will be much more easy to understand if you get to know more about the second section, since all the three sections are interlinked. This table has various columns stating the topic of the post, its due date, the status, the type of post, and the channel on which it is to be posted. And the next column is about the brief explanation about the post to be created. You can also add the pics related to the post. The next column is the social media owner for whom you are creating the post. For content management, there is no need of a requester's name. So, let me delete this field and add a much more useful column named editor. Now, a new field named editor is created. Here, for this post, easy reporting, let me assign it to an editor with the username demoperson, to whom either a mail or a Slack message can be sent to notify about the project. Now, in the next section, social media calendar, all the listed topics will now be converted to a calendar view based on their deadline date and time. Now, if you make any changes in the table, it will have a direct effect here. Let me change the deadline date for the post easy reporting as 15/10/2022. Let me change the time to 4 p.m. This change is now made in the calendar too. I can also view the project details by clicking on it and can also edit it if I want to. Now let's move on to the third section. This section can be used to send a form to your clients to get the project details. To access this, click on Share Form. You can restrict the form either with a password or to an email domain. You can also stop accepting new responses if you already have lots of projects to work on. Now, let me just copy this URL and paste it on a new tab. This takes you to the form. Here, your clients can add about the details of the post like description, due date, proposed copy, and a related image. And then click on Submit Form. This project will now be added to the table that we have seen earlier. You can then assign it to an editor. This social media calendar can be used in a much more time-efficient way with the help of automations and interfaces. To know more about Airtable, do check out our other videos. Thank you.